Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S so you act fast. Once Task Manager is visible, switch to More Details to see Processes, Performance, and Startup tabs. Make sure you are signed in with administrative rights, otherwise some controls will be blocked. If Task Manager won't open, check for policy or registry restrictions now, because you'll need them lifted to clear entries. Prepare by saving any unsaved files, since ending processes can close apps immediately. Now identify which processes to clear. Sort by CPU, memory, or disk to find the top offenders. Once identified, right-click a process and choose End Task to stop it. If unsure, open File Location to verify what the executable is. Use the Details tab to see PID and set priority or create a dump for later analysis if needed. Make sure to avoid system-critical services. If a process is from System or Trusted Installer, pause and research before terminating it. Finish by controlling what runs on boot. Open the Startup tab and disable any unnecessary auto-start programs to prevent repeat issues. Once done, use the Performance tab or Launch Resource Monitor to verify reduced load and stable resource usage. Restart the PC to apply changes, then reopen Task Manager and confirm processes no longer return. If a process persists, check scheduled tasks and services. If Task Manager is blocked or processes reset, run an antivirus scan and inspect group policy or registry entries as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.